Can you change an Australian visitor visa to a student visa? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss the process of converting a visit visa to a student visa in Australia. Let's get started with the video. For more such videos, please subscribe to this channel. If you already have a tourist visa in Australia, you are eligible to apply for the bachelor's or master's that you're itching to get while visiting. You can convert your visitor visa to a student one without ever leaving the country. You get to study and extend your stay without any restrictions. No, this visa conversion would not affect your student visa application, since these two are entirely different visas, so you can extend your stay by getting a subclass 500 student visa without any hassle. Which tourist visa can be converted to a student visa? Knowing your visas before you jump into travel for that student visa conversion depending on the type of visit visa. There are three subclasses of visitor visas: subclass 651 e-visitor, subclass 601 electronic travel authority visa, subclass 600 visitor visa. Any subclass 651 visa holder can stay up to 3 months at a time each year. Subclass 651 is mainly for tourist or business purposes only, though this is a free visa. People from specific countries with an e-visitor passport can obtain this. The 601 visa allows you to stay for up to 12 months with 3 months at a time for multiple visits, so you can come for leisure or business every year. A visitor can stay up to 3 months. Not everyone can get this visa, only certain passport holders from specific countries can apply for this. Subclass 600 is fit for all visas. An individual can stay up to 12 months. There are 5 different options to choose from for the visitors. Whether it's a tourist visa to roam around or sponsored family visa to hang with your family at a business or a frequent traveler sharing. A fun fact: subclass 600 visa is the most popular one of all visas. Anyone can quickly get it, so if you have plans to switch your tourist visa to a student one, then this is the way. Let's move on to the next section. In this section we will discuss who can apply to convert a visitor visa to a student visa depending on your file. Let's assume you don't have any bad records. A bad record can be anything. If you have any of these bad records, you will not be able to apply for the visa conversion. For example, low financial stability, case files against your previously rejected student visa, poorly written, no IELTS, study gap, working during visitation, conditions applied on your visa. Always talk to an education consultancy firm. If you have any of these issues, a consultancy firm can smooth things over for you to a great extent. Suppose you meet these essential criteria, you'll be good to go. The requirement is a minimum 5.5 IELTS score, higher the better. The well-written SOP, statement of purpose, a good working experience history depends on each individual, no study gaps. Hold on, there's more to it than it meets the eye. We genuinely wish everything was that easy. These are the essential things to know before you apply. Yes, tourist visa conversion can be acquired, but it is not an easy task to accomplish. If you want to do it all by yourself, you're in for a pretty complex challenge. The most important thing is the visitor visa shouldn't have any further state condition. A consultant can help you get this waived. Being an offshore individual or a potential international student, you need to have met multiple criteria rather than the basic ones we mentioned. You need to make sure that you don't get rejected while applying for visa conversion. Number, conditions on your visa: have strong reasons to go back to your home country. You have to intention to stay in Australia after graduation. The course you want to enroll in must be valid and related to your previous education. Have strong reasons not to study. The system in your home country. The course should ensure future employment and no visa complications in previous or current visa terms. Will comply with new student visa terms.